As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, the ability to integrate with multiple marketplaces is becoming increasingly critical for software providers who need to offer scalable SaaS solutions to their customers. Marketplace API integration is the process of connecting e-commerce software to marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and others through an API, application programming interface. These marketplaces provide APIs that allow different software systems to communicate with each other, exchanging data and automating processes. Through Marketplace API integration, software providers can retrieve, update, and manage various aspects of e-commerce operations, such as product listings, inventory, orders, customers, and shipping details directly from their system. With real-time synchronization, you can ensure that all store information is accurate and up-to-date across various channels, reducing the chances of errors or discrepancies that can occur with manual updates. Marketplace API integration allows software providers to access all the necessary data and enhance their software functionality. Additionally, this integration provides a wide range of benefits that help SaaS businesses improve operational efficiency and accelerate growth. For e-commerce software providers, building order management systems, shipping software, PIM, ERP, or multi-channel solutions, seamless Marketplace API integration can help expand their services and reach new clients. However, developing an API integration with marketplaces is a complex and costly process that requires significant effort, time, and ongoing updates due to frequent API changes. The easiest way to develop a scalable and reliable marketplace API integration is by using API 2Cart. API 2Cart offers a unified API that allows e-commerce software to integrate with 60+ marketplaces and e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, OpenCart, Etsy, Wix, Temu, Shopee, TikTok Shop, Flipkart, and others, all through a single integration. As a result, e-commerce software providers can connect to multiple marketplaces at once, instead of building and maintaining separate integrations for each marketplace. By abstracting marketplace-specific logic, such as authentication methods, data formats, endpoints, and rate limits, API 2Cart enables you to work with marketplace data in a consistent and predictable way. API 2Cart provides 100+ API methods to access, add, update, and manage all valuable store data, such as products, orders, customers, inventory, shipments, and more. With this unified API approach, data is automatically synchronized across all marketplaces and e-commerce platforms, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Using API 2Cart, you can easily leverage all the benefits of marketplace API integration and expand your SaaS business into new markets. This enables your team to scale more efficiently and focus on delivering high-value product features, saving development time, money, and maintenance effort. Contact us today and explore how to easily develop marketplace API integration via API 2Cart. Start your free trial right now